Yo, what's up? Thanks for joining me. I'm Nate, a member of the TVR community, and today I'll be sharing how to make simple, scalable income through thrifting. The hard truth is the market has changed. Very few resale markets are still thriving. Meanwhile, the global secondhand apparel market is set to grow by 98% by 2027, outpacing retail. This isn't just a trend, but this is a reflection of a massive cultural shift in how we buy and sell. Sneaker prices fell through the roof, and hype culture is dead beyond repair. But why is that? It's because the consumer is more conscious of their spending. People are starting to value real tangible value over hype or brand names or inflated spend. All right, this is why secondhand apparel is booming. If you want to get your chunk of that $77 billion market cap from the retail market getting outpaced by resale itself, then you need to go to the thrift store, buy you some shirts for $1 and start flipping them for 15. Get incredible results like the vintage reseller founder brand, which just went number 340 in the world on one of our third-party markets. And mind you, we learned 4 in the group. So imagine these type of numbers per week times 4. Your success fast track is going through Thrift University, which is full of knowledge of exactly what to do with no fluff so that you can quickly get to a point where you're working hand in hand with TVR experts and growing your thrift business fast. When I first hopped in, I was doing no sales, and I kid you not, based on the feedback that Nick gave me in the group, I was able to wake up the next morning with 2 sales that quickly. Since then, I've learned that most resellers are going about the game entirely wrong. They're focused on big flips over volume. Would you rather sell one $30 shirt in a week or 3 $15 shirts a day? I think the answer is pretty obvious. They're not posting new listings frequently. They're posting poor quality photos. They're only using one marketplace, which is an L. They could be making 4 times as much money. They're ignoring the importance of SEO. They're failing to build a brand. They're setting prices too high. They're neglecting blah, blah. You get the point. They are not building a real business. So come discover the blueprint our private community swears by for how to have an absolutely profitable thrift business when you thrift, connect, and thrive with the #1 reseller community today. Profit faster with proven methods with 24/7 expert guidance. Get VIP access to thrift deals on great brands like Carhartt, Patagonia, and more. Weekly live calls and Q&A and much, much more. My membership literally paid for itself in my sleep after joining the crew. Don't waste a single moment while it's still an incredibly low price. Go ahead and click below to join TVR now.